There is one thing in life that we all need to try to do in order to make sure that we are okay, or in order to make sure that we can say we have achieved, is that most of the challenges comes from what makes us angry or what annoys us. And it is our responsibility and our sole opportunity to make sure that we convert it to become good. Let's look at the ancient Mesopotamia, the so-called Babylon city, where they were totally in desert and surrounded by water or sea. They had to struggle to dig trenches in order to practice drift irrigation, and became the world's leading growers of wheat and exporters of wheat from a desert. And currently we have the Israelites. Now, the Acholi people have a lot of problems. Loading syndrome, there is a serious nepotism clearly seen. There is attacks from invasive alien species like the nodding syndrome, like Ebola, and several other diseases, which usually and clearly starts from the side of Acholi. The illusional Joseph Kony, I prefer to call it the genocide, LRA genocide, against the Acholi people. And currently we have vast, untalked, undiscussed unemployment among the youths, both educated and uneducated. The youths lack jobs. Now we are also facing climate change. There is also economic war where price are changed even if it is not changed from the national market or international market. We lack it. And also, if we look at things like a reckless charcoal production where they carry it with lorries, that doesn't make sense. Still, we are under those problems. So the responsibility that the Acholi people have and the rest of the people around the world in this morning motivation is you have a job to do, and that job is to fulfill your mission. And what is your mission? Your mission is to make sure that your greatest heart becomes your greatest reputation. That what makes you annoyed the most, you turn it to what makes you happiest the most. How do you make it? The bigger the challenge, the bigger the victory, the nicer the success, the sweeter the celebration. If that is the case, defeat the challenge. Defeat this challenge and make sure it goes in line. It is an individual effort for us to make sure that Acholi bounce back diplomatically or whatever way you can have. As individuals, we need to make sure that we can get back to our place or where we belong. We need to get back to the victory. The first thing is unity. Fuck those who spoil the unity of the Acholi people. There's high need for us to get united. There's serious need for the Acholi people to be united if we must make sure we prevail. So, as I request you to subscribe, remember, your greatest heart is the greatest reputation that you need to make.